The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, there's three things we're going to talk about, viewers and subscribers. One is of a JUTC bus that had hit a pedestrian. The other is about a taxi operator that had been shot by the police and died. And the other is about taxi operators protesting because of the incident where it is said that the taxi operator had been shot by the police and died. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about an elderly man that had been hit by a JUTC bus in downtown Kingston. Alright, now this said to have happened on the 25th of January 2020, and it is said to have happened somewhere within the east side of Parade. That is of the east side of Parade in downtown Kingston of the country of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that the JUTC driver was driving the bus, you know what I mean, and it is said that the JUTC driver suddenly heard a impact. Now it is said that the JUTC driver exited the vehicle to see what had happened, and upon looking what had happened, he realized that the man had been hit by the bus. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, there's a very short video clip that shows of the scene of the incident, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to show you this video. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video clip that is out on social media that shows of the incident that had happened, where it is said that a JUTC bus had hit a elderly man. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, there is reports out there about a taxi operator that had been shot by a police officer, and it is said that he had died. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, this said to have happened on Monday the 27th of January 2020, and it is said to have happened in downtown Kingston, that is of the parish of Kingston, that is of the country of Jamaica, close to the Coronation Market on Spanish Town Road. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, according to reports and according to what has been said on social media, it would seem as if this incident had happened because the taxi operator had disobeyed an order by the police officer. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I told you is based on what has been said on social media and in reports out there. Alright, and that there might be more information towards this whole incident that had happened. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, there's a video that is out on social media that has pieces of videos put together that shows of the scene of the incident, where it is said that the taxi operator had been shot by a police officer, and it is said that he had died. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you these pieces of videos put together, but before I show you these pieces of videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe. Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the pieces of videos that had been put together that shows of the scene of the incident, where it is said that a taxi operator had been shot by a police officer, and it is said that he had died. Alright, Now, viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about taxi operators protesting right in the vicinity of the Denham Town Police Station that is in Kingston of Jamaica. Now, this said to have happened on the 28th of January 2020, and it is said that this had happened because of the shooting incident where it is said that a taxi operator had been shot by a police officer, and it is said that he had died. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, there is a video that is out on social media that has pieces of videos put together, and these pieces of videos put together shows of taxi operators protesting and a man talking to the reporters, and it shows of a police officer, trying to explain the situation to the reporters. Actually, this officer is a superintendent trying to explain about the whole situation to reporters and so on. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave this video with you so that you can have a better understanding and so on. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video. Until the next time, take a look and observe.
Check the whole of them right now. Check the whole of them back. Poor people today. Poor people. Because killing a man like that, when a force in a farm a threat, nah, no harm. As a man, we are doing job in the road, and if my disobey and go and come back on the same spot because I work him, I work. You understand? So you leave him. You shoot the tire, must come back. Why never shoot the tire? You know, the tire, no shot. No, I said, since I know the man at least citizens are doing job. So if you take him license and papers them for the car, that means him have to come back for them.
And the youth is a very humble youth.
The man not even talk. So you see that him a carry grievance, the youth there, him and the youth they have something already.
It is said that the man was there and he was actually on the outside of his vehicle. He came, grab away the papers from the police, and as a result, in a bid to escape, he hit a policeman, and the police, in fear of his life, that's what took place.
We know that, this taximan behaved.